Hey guys, welcome to Codecat. So our today's topic is layers panel. So what is this layers panel? Is today what we will be talking about. So for that, first we will need to create a frame. Now you may already know if you are following me that we can choose frame either from the tools panel from here by clicking on that, or you can just simply click F on your keyboard and then drag your mouse with whatever shape or width or height you want to frame of. So once you make a frame, you just change your frame name, reflecting whatever you are doing on that frame. So we will just write layers panel. We'll just remember that whenever you choose a frame name, just follow the standard of lowercase letters with a hyphen wherever the space should come. So that's how you name your frames. And now, for understanding what is a layer panel, we will first make a few objects. So remember, whatever shape we choose, either rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, even images, I would say, they are basically objects in Figma. So for now, I will just create a rectangle and then just copy it one more time, and then just copy both of these again, and then I'll just distribute their horizontal spacing. No, then I will just place it in the middle. So you see, when we create our first object, it the Figma gave it a default name of rectangle one. As you can see in the layers panel, this is the layers panel. This is the asset panel. Remember, now when you choose the layers panel, the assets panel will show in the light gray color, meaning it is currently disabled. You are currently viewing the layers panel. That's why it is shown in bold. So in layers panel, at first it shows you the frame name. So remember this hash symbol. This hash symbol, straight hash symbol, simply means that it is a frame. And on the right hand side, it shows the name of the frame, which you can also change from here also. For example, layers panel. Just write this is layers panel. When I click enter, then you see the frame name is changed here also. And in the similar manner, if you choose if you just remove this as and just press enter, the frame name changes here dynamically also. So where were we? We are once you focus on the first object, you see Figma gave it a default name of rectangle one. In the similar manner, when you focus on the second rectangle, Figma gave it the name of rectangle 2. In the similar manner, rectangle 3 and rectangle 4. Now, you see, whenever you see the name of a particular object in the layers panel, you see, you just focus on it, and then the Figma will automatically focus on the object's name on the layers panel, and that's how you just correlate both of these together. That the rectangle one is for this object. Now you can also change the name of the objects here. So the default name is just to make you understand that okay, you did something new. We have given it a default name. You can change if you want to. That's what Figma says to you. So now you want to change the name of this object. So basically, what you do is you just double click on it and you just give whatever name you want to give. So we will give it a name of first rectangle. In a similar manner, we will give it a name of second rectangle. In the similar manner, we'll give it a name of third rectangle. And this one, we will give it a name of fourth rectangle. That's how you can change the name of the rectangles or objects or whatever your shape is. Okay. So as I just told you that if you select any object, it corresponds to the its corresponding layer name. Figma automatically puts a focus on it. In the similar manner, if you give it a focus, if you focus a particular layer name here, it corresponds to the corresponding object. Figma automatically focus. I did not do that. I just focused on this, and Figma showed me, okay, this name is for this particular object. So that's what Figma automatically does for you on both the sides. So that's how it goes. In the similar manner, if you now create an ellipse in the middle of it, I'm sorry, it was a vertical rectangle. For ellipse, you have to press O. on your keyboard, and that's how you create an ellipse. And for ellipse, Figma has the default name of ellipse, signified by the first ellipse number one, because it's the first ellipse that we have created. If you create a second ellipse, it will give it a name of ellipse 2, which is what it did here. In similar manner, you can change the names here and select unselect here. So that's how it goes. That's how you change the names. And now, so I guess for the basics, we would be done here. For more advanced concepts, just wait a while. We will be covering in the next videos. So thank you. I hope you really enjoyed that, and you now know what is the layers panel, what is the frames. Now, one more thing I definitely would like to tell you, I just forgot, is that there is a symbol for each shape and object. For example, these are rectangles. So you see, there is a rectangle made in the left of the object name. So this rectangle symbol means that we are now currently working on a rectangle object. In the similar manner, it's an ellipse, but see, it's a vertical ellipse. So Figma is very clever to know that whatever shape you made with an ellipse, you can even make a circle with an ellipse. So you see, it shows you the a vertical ellipse. So it shows that whatever you're looking on, it's kind of a vertical ellipse. In similar manner, here it shows it's an horizontal ellipse. So that's how it goes. In the similar manner, we will just delete some of these from here so that we can put in more shapes. So basically, we just made an arrow, a straight arrow. We also will make a straight line here. We will also create a polygon, and then we will also create a star. So you see, if I select the arrow, it shows that this is an arrow. If I select a line, it shows that this is a line. This is a symbol for line. This is a symbol for polygon, and this is a symbol for star. So the symbol change on the type of based on the type of object that you are using within the frame. Now, some of you who have a keen eye must have seen that the symbol of the arrow and the symbol of the line, which means symbol for both of these objects, are same. It's a straight line. So yeah, Figma shows the same symbol both for the arrow and both for the line. So I hope you understood it. For more knowledge, just subscribe to my videos, like, share, and subscribe. And I basically hope that you enjoyed this video. For more, just keep on watching my videos. So thank you guys. Really love you. Really appreciate. Thank you. Thank you very much.